Hi, welcome to this video. First of all, thank you very much for Akake Technologies for this opportunity. This is my GitHub repo for this new summarizer project. And from this repo, we copy paste the git clone command. Then we open the Visual Studio Code and we open two terminals. One for the backend API fast API section and another for the Streamlit UI. Here we paste the git clone command. Then we need to go into this folder, new summarizer. Here the here the folder is cloning. Then we need to create an virtual environment. For that libraries we need to download to avoid the dependency problems. Here we pasted the command. Here we need to paste the command. Here after simultaneously in front end also we will go into the new summarizer folder. Here we create the environment, virtual environment, then activate the virtual environment. And also we need to store the API. We need to create a file and need to store the API keys. Here I already created the API keys. As we mentioned in documentation, we need to create the API keys and need to paste it in the environment file. These are the API keys. Then I install the requirements in the virtual environment. Also activate the virtual environment on both front end and back end. A requirements that TXT file, everything is mentioned along with the version. The eclipse.py file is having everything, every method that I used inside this project. Analysis sentiment to summarize the article. Every concept are written in this file. Then with the readme file having the documentation about this project and this PDF, the documentation. I clearly mentioned everything. This is the project directory folder. I also mentioned the setup for this project, and these are the API keys. We need to paste and paste it in the environment file. And these are the models that I use. If you see here, instead of simply throw an exception or error, I used another model, a strategy. In exception, if the particular model fails, in exception, another model will handle that problem in a fallback method. And these are the API structures, response and the request. And I use these models as API. And I need to tell another thing. If you see here, I didn't download any models due to my computational resources. From Agentface also use the inference client API instead of the downloading model due to the storage problem computation resources. I use the only API for LLMs and the summarization models, sentiment analysis models. And if we go inside this project folder, the requirements.txt file is still running. Then if you go to the API.py, here I created the fast API application for to extract the news. Then for everything, till we create an audio file. And a app.py is a Streamlit application as a friend for front end. Then I also deploy the application project in Eigenface spaces. If you see the files in Eigenface spaces, I didn't create an API because we don't able to run both the front and back end simultaneously in IMP spaces. So uh, I created a app.py and utils.py file only. Instead of run that API file, I need to create another spaces, so I avoid that. And these are the logs that I ran previously. And all documents are downloaded. Now we are going to run the backend fast API application. It's going to run in 8000 code. Simultaneously also run the front end image application. Here I change the port number 8001. We have 8000 already running. Here we write the company name as input. After submit the button, the request go to the backend fast API application. And I got the server issue problem because I am running this application from since morning. So I'm going to show the demo used in hacking fix spaces because I deployed the application hacking fix spaces. Here is the demo. These are previously run logs. Here I am entering the company name as input. After I hit the enter, if we go for the logs, we can see everything. And these are the articles are fetching from the internet by using the Google search. Based on the company name, it retrieves the articles along with the URLs. And these are the articles. And if you see here, if the any model fails, as a fallback, it goes to the another model to avoid the error. And these articles are fetched. And the important thing is, I think is, I created the application only for the static HTML pages. It is not working for working for JavaScript heavy JavaScript applications because I didn't use the Selenium everything because in the problem statement it told that don't go for the heavy JavaScript web links. So it only works for the static HTML web pages. So that's why they that's why it goes to the different articles. And also I use the timeout for 10 seconds. And these articles are fetching. This is the final generated summary in Hindi. As in sidebar, we can see that things, and in audio is recorded. And these are the generated final company review. These are the structured response. In articles, all 10 articles are retrieved, and also the sentiments are there. And every article that is topics, common topics, main key topics, summary Hindi also it is it generated. Then these are the sentiments, positive, negative, and neutral, sentiment distribution. And these are the topics, and I mentioned the common topics also. And it is the fast API application at backend. I simply tested it with a Swagger UI. It will generate a response, the structured response. And these are the sentiment distribution. And these are the key topics. These are the common topics also, along with the articles. and this is generated summary, and this is the output file. We can hear that file, able to hear that file, audio file in Streamlit application. And that's all. Thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity once again. Thank you.